This is Anthony here with All Around Topics. Yeah, I'm here trying to change out the bulb, the actual driver's side headlamp light for Scion XA 2005. Now, I must say that this is really crazy the way Scion designed this headlight. You have two options. You could either take out the whole headlamp, or you could do like what I did on trial and error. Pretty much I had to take the battery out, as you can see. I had to screw this piece off of this wall here, and then this is how you get the bulb out. See, now that it's facing up like this, you're able to squeeze these two tabs together. And what happens is there's a groove under. I don't know if you can see, but it fits right under there. Let me put it in place and then I'll be able to show you afterwards. Okay, see? Right under there. Let me zone out. See? They go right under there. So that's how you get the bulb out without taking out that screw. You just put your hands here and you squeeze these and you lift it up like that to put it back in place, and then you take the bulb out. And then you can, when you're putting it back in place, you put it like this. Let me try it with the bulb so I can get you guys to see it, because when I make videos I like to go in depth and try to go all the way with it. Okay, let's see. So now this is the bulb here. I'm going to put it in place. You seat them in these notches here. See these notches? Seat them in there. And once you seat it in there, then you grab this and then you put them down and they snap right into place just like I showed you before. So then it holds the bulb in, it can't come out. And then to take it out, you squeeze these notches here, lift it up, pull the bulb out. Voila. So it's not your twist and turn and pull it out. You pretty much have to, these metal clamps is what replaces the turn and twist. And it's so crazy because for the rest of the bulbs that come out, these are the turn and twist. Like, why didn't you keep the same design, Scion, all the way around, the turn and twist? You had to go different. So yeah, I just wanted to add this to the video so that I'm really in detail about this thing here, so you guys don't have to make the mistakes that I made. I mean, I looked at a lot of other videos and they don't go into detail as much as I do. So I mean, not to knock them, at least they pointed me in the right direction, but you know, I like to go into detail, like real detail, because you know, not everybody learns on the same level. So this is Anthony here with All Around Topics. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.